Model, 2012 Citroen Dispatch HDI 125 6-speed L2H1 1200 runs and drives. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162945. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 CDD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Flywheel is vibrating badly and will need replacing, easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp